Okay.
Hey, I moved into a 1935 historical house. The windows were original and, of course, not very energy efficient. So I looked online and I found Zen Windows, and they had 5 stars. I thought, why not? So they came out and replaced 10 windows. Looks very nice, and I like them so much. I thinking about not covering them, but I already have shears that I'm going to put up. But I'm very happy with these windows, and I couldn't be happier, and I can't wait for winter to see how much energy I'm going to save.
Did the guys do a nice job with your house and cleaning up and
They
everything?
did, and they were on time. They said 8 o'clock, they were here at 8. And I don't think they took a break or had lunch or anything. They just worked around the whole day, and inside and out. And I'm very happy with it. I would recommend Zen Windows.
Good. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm going to kind of back up and take a look at these back here. And we get comments from the gallery in the background. That is Mrs. Nagel's entourage. It keeps her notified if anybody comes to the house until she gets her new doorbell.
Right.